Hi, I'm Grant Mixon. I'm a teen ambassador for the Barbara Bush Literacy Foundation. Today I'm going to be reviewing the book Weather by Caroline Harris, published by Kingfisher. Alright, so for a basic overview of this book, basically it goes through different elements that contribute to weather, like the sun, rain, oceans, winds, and so on. What I liked about it is that it's organized in terms anyone can understand. Also, it provides a little information on a lot of weather topics, and it makes you want to read more. It has incredible pictures. One I really liked was the glacier. That's a really cool picture, I think. And at the back of the book, it even has little projects you can do to teach you more about the weather, like creating a kite or a sun catcher. I would recommend this book to anyone that wants to learn more about the weather, and if you find something that interests you, I encourage you to learn more about it and research it. Thank you. Have a nice rest of your day.